When you newly set up an MT5 account, by default you might see a lot of pairs. So this is the opening of an MT5. You click on MT5, it's going to show you the list of pairs here. You can see Euro USD, and all of this. So the first thing you want to do is to arrange your pairs. So the pairs you normally trade with. By doing that, you have to click on this top right icon that looks like a pencil. When you tap on it, all right, you can select some pairs and you can add some pairs. So let's say you want to add, you click on the plus sign here like this, and let's say you trade gold. So XAU USD, this is it, XAU USD. You click on add. Now you've added XAU USD to your list. Let's say you trade BTC USD, added to your list. Let's say you trade GBP USD, added to your list. USD JPY, or JPY. Okay, this is GBP, JPY, Euro GBP, right? USD JPY. That's the US dollar against Japanese yen. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. USD card. It goes on and on and on. All right. So now we can see here, if we go back, that we've added some list of pairs. So now we can get rid of these ones here and just focus on the pairs you want to trade with. That's the first thing you want to do on your MT5. Arrange your watch list. So you edit like this and then you click on this delete icon. Now we're getting rid of these ones that came there as default, probably when you newly set up your XNES account. This is an XNES demo account. So I'm just using for example and tutorials. Now you see I cannot delete this Euro USD. Let me delete the rest. You know why I can't delete this Euro USD? Because on the charts, Euro USD is currently open, so I can't delete it. All right. So if I open the chart of USD card right now and USD card is open, I can no longer remove USD card from my watch list. So whichever pair you have on your watch list, sorry, on your charts open, cannot be removed. Look at this now. So you see, I can remove Euro USD. I can't remove USD card because the chart is open, right? So everything is pretty much okay. There's nothing I want to delete here again. We have the normal common most traded pairs. Now the next thing is how to place an order. All right, you have the charts, fine. How do you place an order using MT5? So you come to trade. When you come to trade, you click on this plus sign, this here. You can see it at your top right. You click on it. When you click on it, we have uh, multiple types of executions. Usually, the most common ones are the limit and the market order. The limit and market order. So now let me quickly explain what the limit and market order is. Market execution simply means immediately you click on buy or sell, it will execute instantly at the current market price. So whichever price it is that commodity is at that very time in which you are clicking on it, it will automatically buy. So if you want to enter and just long immediately, you just execute at market condition, sorry, at market execution. You click on that and then it will execute. But if you actually have a certain limit or a certain target in which you want price to get to first before you enter, that is where you make use of the limit. All right, is it a buy limit or is it a sell limit? If it's a buy limit, click on the buy limit like this and then you choose your lot size. If you do not understand how to calculate your lot size properly, all right, I made another video on how to calculate lot size. You can just check this channel playlist. Okay, I arranged everything properly there. Tutorial for forex beginners, beginning tutorials for forex traders. Just check the playlist, everything's arranged there. Lot size, MetaTrader, how to use MetaTrader, how to use match trader, every single thing you'll be needing to understand the basics of trading forex is there. All right, so if it's buy limit, you choose whatever lot size it is, you adjust it, you put your price, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and you place. I can't place because this is weekend. I'm making this video weekend, so the market is closed. So you set it there. All right, if it's sell limit, the same thing. If it's market execution, then it's going to execute. You'll be seeing the fluctuation in prices here. So prices will be fluctuating, and then you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and then you sell by the market, or you buy by the market at market execution. Now, before I end this video, if you use probably a buy limit and you set it, okay, the next thing is you want to come to the chart. If you come to the chart, you're going to see some lines. You're going to see some lines of you're going to see some lines drawn on the chart. For example, now let's use BTC. Since BTC market is open, right? BTC market is open. Crypto market opens 247. Okay, so I'm going to change this to BTC, and now you can see the fluctuation in prices. It's fluctuating because the market is open. So now let's say I want to enter. I'm not entering a market execution. I want to buy limit. The current buy price of BTC is currently around $103. So let's say I want to buy BTC at $100,000. Okay, $100,000, and then my stop loss is going to be 99,900, for example, and my take profit is 101,000, something like this, with let's say 0.01 lot size, and then I place. Done. All right, now if you come to chart in BTC, you can see how it looks like. So you see the SL. If you tap on it, let's modify this a bit. Let's modify this so that it looks much more better. Let's say the stop loss is at 99,500, 99,500, and the take profit is at 102. Okay, modify. So if you look at the chart here, this is much more better to explain. So you can see this is the buy limit. If you can see now there is lines. Price hasn't really gotten there yet, but it's showing you, if you check it from the charts, your BTC chart, that there is an order there. So if you click on these lines, it shows you how much is at risk. Okay, so you can see the SL is currently $5. That's another way to know how much you are risking on a trade using MT5 if you don't really have time to calculate, or you don't know how to calculate, but you want to know how much you are risking. Now, this is not possible on market execution because you're going to enter the trade immediately. But on limit order, you have the time to be like, okay, now that you've set the order, you see that, okay, this risk is $5, and maybe you want to risk $20 on this trade. All you need to do is multiply the exact lot size you used currently times 4, since it's 5. So 5 times 4, 20. 0.01 times 4 means 0.04. So now we're going to see that if I use this same limit order with a 0.04 lot size, we're going to be risking $20. So let's delete this and see how it goes. All right, so buy limits, buy at 100K, stop loss at 99,500, and then take profit at 102, lot size of 0.04, and then place. Now let's click on it. You can see the SL shows that we are risking $20 on this trade to make $80 on this trade, technically a 1:4. So that is it on how to place a trade on MetaTrader 5, be it limit order or market execution. Let's try market execution right now. Oh, okay, just for the sake of making this video. So this is a 1 hour time frame. Let's come down to the 15 minutes. Okay, this is looking like a sell. Market is rejecting off this supply region here. 5 minutes. Yeah, the market is rejecting. Okay, so we come and then let's say we want to just sell instantly. So market execution 0.01 lot size. Uh let's say our stop loss is 104 TP. We can adjust that and then sell. So at market execution, it's done, and you can see price already fluctuating. It's fluctuating, okay, because it is an instant order. So the trade is already running. You can see it here. This is where our stop loss is. This is where we enter the trade, and we can say, okay, we want to take our profits probably at this down region here. So that around 100 and let's say 103 200. It is 103 220.75. So modify this, modify the position, say 103, is it 500? Let's check again. Sorry, 103 220.75. So 103 220.75. I'm not taking this trade, I'm just using it to explain the video. All right, so don't get it twisted. 103 220.75. Okay, modify. And now this is the trade. No analysis was done, it was just looking at this trade. All right, so if you look at it on 15 minutes time frame, we are risking what? We are risking $3 to make $4 thereabout, something like that. I can move my SL to 103 4, okay, 103 843 something. Okay, 103 843.00. Let's just use it like this. Makes more sense that way. All right, perfect. So you can see the trade is running in profits. But when you know how to trade, you know how to trade. I didn't even look at charts. Just looking at the candlesticks, I was able to like understand if it was supposed to be a long or it was supposed to be a short. Okay, so that's just the beauty of understanding how to trade. I could easily spot a kind of supply and demand zone. That's what I technically trade. You know what I do in this channel. So you could see prices falling. Just by looking at it, I was able to understand the charts. Not like this is something you should do, okay, but just for the purpose of making this video. So as you can see, the trade is running in profits, and you can check your risk. So currently risking $1.8 to make 4.34, so around 1:3 thereabouts kind of trade. So it's a nice kind of trade to take, and I'm going to be closing this position right now. Okay, so close position, close with profits of this, and that's how you close your trade once it is done. So I'm also going to be canceling this order, and I believe I have been able to explain how to place an order on MetaTrader 5, either market execution or the limit order. Now I'll catch you guys in the very next video. If this video was of any help to you, you found value from this video and all of that, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, drop a comment on what you think I should drop next for you, and you might be lucky I'll make a video on it. Catch you guys later. Peace.